What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome to another 2-minute tutorial Tuesday peeps, where we're going to do this actually on a Wednesday as we do. Apologies that we didn't get this video out yesterday. It has been absolutely manic behind me here at the HQ. Just wanted to quickly say thank you so much for all the love that you guys always show for all our launches. Our ropes have been literally flying off the shelves. So if you haven't already, don't know what we use on this channel, of course, it is the RA Speed Rope, also known as the Money Rope. So go online, use YouTube 10 for your 10% discount. Get geared up, people, man. The world of skipping right now is blowing up. The community is blowing up. We'd love you all to join us, so hit the subscribe button as well. In today's video, people, I'm going to show you how to correct your double under cross form. Right now, this is kind of for the intermediates, close to advanced, the guys who kind of know how to do a double under cross but can't really link them together. They're making an error that I basically see a lot of my clients doing, a lot of people on Instagram, social media, etc. I'm going to basically get you to fix this form. Right, I'm going to show you how to do it the right way. I'm going to compare it with how most people around the world are doing it incorrectly as well. Right, so let's get the 2 minutes on the clock. Somewhere here, up here, and I'm going to show you quickly where people are going wrong when it comes to the double under cross. Okay, now you've got two versions of the double under cross. So for example, you've got Mayweather, nice and easy. So it's a cross, uncross, or you go with the double where it goes around you once and then you cross. So double and then the cross. Either way you do this, people, the mistake is as so, right? Most people, when they do this move, is they get super jerky with their hands. Now I'm going to try and show you in this 2 minutes. You just need to stop that quick action with your hands, this jerk that I'm going to show you. Get rid of that and then try it my way, okay? And it's going to help you, I promise you. So the jerk happens like this, right? This is where the problems happen for most beginners. When they go into this move, they gear themselves up. The jerk comes here, look, arms extend. You feel this motion coming away from your body, and then you cross. So if we're doing the Mayweather version, which is the cross first, arms away from the body, and then you try and get the cross, you can't get the cross. Arms away. And what you're doing is, as soon as you bring those arms away from your body to get this cross, you've already made the rope shorter. So that's what we're going to try and change today, okay? When you see me doing it, or Mayweather, anyone who does this really nicely, you've got to try and make sure that these hands stay close to your body, especially the elbows. Not too tight, but the initial cross does not come from out here. So elbows tucked in, and I want you to feel like there's like a picture frame around your kind of torso, and you can't bring your elbows away from that kind of frame. So when we do this now, when you start to do the move, especially continuously, all you feel like you're doing is bringing your wrists in, turning them over, and then bringing them back to the same position. The first movement should be in, not out and then in, if that makes sense. So we're going to remove that sudden jerk, which happens all the time, which is that, people tripping, slapping themselves, and we're just going to have thumbs turning over just like that. So in first, then back to the starting point. It's as simple as that, people. The second quick point, I'm going to try and do this in 2 minutes, is just take it smooth, right? That jerk happens because hands come away from the body, and it's just really, really quick, really fast action. It's so fast, that fucking hurt. It's so fast, yeah, that you don't have time to make the loop that you need. Just want you to take it nice and smooth. Just don't think about speed. Jump a little bit higher if you need to. Don't flex the knees, of course. And you're going to focus on your wrists, just turning in and just making really nice loops. So that is how you are going to correct this double under crossover, people. It's very, well, I'll say it's very easy. It's a very easy fix, but it's not a simple move, all right? It takes time, it takes practice. It's not going to come overnight. Hopefully you kind of understood where I was going with this. Stop yourself just doing that. That's as simple as that. Bring your hands in and come back to your starting position. Imagine that frame around your body. So guys, that was my 2-minute tutorial for the day. Be sure to comment down below, let me know what you want to see going forward, as always, and I'll try and get it done. Hopefully you got some value out of this video. Smash thumbs up, like, whatever you call it. Hit the fuck, bruv. Smash the subscribe button as well, as always. And yeah, listen, always appreciate your support. Back there, we are smashing it because of you. So thank you so much. I'm going to see you in that next video, as always. So take care of yourself. Skip the treadmill. Stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the the taste now.